Bullish SPEL token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept SPEL could reach $0 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. SPEL token presentation. SPEL token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up guarantee in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $XSushi and different bend, raised tokens as guarantee. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate SPEL token. The venture was established by Daniel Sesta, who is additionally liable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, prime supporters of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and altogether recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Regardless of the peculiar name, Abracadabra's prosperity represents itself with no issue. Last year, it produced a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Also, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. Abracadabra Money is a decentralized crypto loaning stage that permits clients to collateralize computerized resources in return for stablecoin credit. Nonetheless, Abracadabra is exceptional in that it uses interest-bearing tokens, a kind of liquidity supplier token, as security. These IPKNs are turning out to be progressively normal all through the decentralized money space. They create persistent returns, expanding in esteem the more one holds them. This advancement assists at Abracadabra and its auxiliary innovations with Loving SPEL token and Enchantment Web Cash aside from the current DeFi loaning stages accessible. Stablecoin advances empower financial backers to intensify yields while holding responsibility for computerized resources. For instance, financial backers can sell or reinvest their advance returns, advancing more mind-boggling exchanging procedures. By and large, DeFi conventions like Bend, Long, and Sushi Swap mint IPKNs as a component of the credit structure. Abracadabra Cash means to additionally decentralize DeFi venture open doors by presenting these IPKNs as guarantee and stablecoin credits. SPEL token current cost. SPEL token is presently worth $0. SPEL has moved 5.75% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,634,290. SPEL token is presently positioned 290 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $77,403,273 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous SPEL token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. SPEL token value forecast 2023. SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The SPEL cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2024. In 2024, SPEL token SPEL cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the SPEL's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SPEL might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Spell Token Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Spell Token effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the Spell coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Spell will be green in 2026. The Spell is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Spell Token Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Spell cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, Spell has a greatest value worth of $0. Spell Token Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that Spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help Spell needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Spell Token Value Expectation 2029. While Spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Spell Token Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Spell Token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Spell Token Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Spell cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the Spell Token cost today? Today, Spell Token is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $77,403,273. Is Spell Token a wise speculation? In view of this, it is savvy to say that Spell is a decent decision of venture. How high can Spell Token go? The typical cost of Spell Token might perhaps reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Spell Token might outperform $0. What amount will Spell Token be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prominence of cryptographic money and Spell Token, a drawn-out interest in Spell could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will Spell Token be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Spell Token today, similarly as with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Spell might actually ascend to $0 the following 10 years. What will the Spell Token cost be in 2024? Spell Token cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Spell Token cost be in 2025? Spell Token cost is supposed to reach $0 2025. What will the Spell Token cost be in 2026? Spell Token cost is supposed to reach $0 2026. What will the Spell Token cost be in 2027? Spell Token cost is supposed to reach $0